Dear students, Maths Paper 1 question papers of previous year's analysis chapter wise. In that one, first is this chapter progressions. So, in that, one more questions. Find the sum of first 200 natural numbers. This is from March 16th. Second one, is 0 is a term of the arithmetic progression 31, 28, 25 up to so on. Justify your answer. Third one, the nth term of AP is 6n plus 2. Find the common difference. This is from June 17th. And fourth question, the sequence root 3, root 6, root 9, root 12 form an arithmetic progression. Give reason. Fifth one, for the AP minus 3, minus 7, minus 11 up to so on, can we find directly A30 minus A20 without actually finding A30 and A20. This is from June 18th. Now, Radha says that 1, 1, 1 up to so on are in AP and also in GP. Do you agree with Radha? Give reason. This is from March 19th. 17th. Find the 11th term of AP 15, 19, 9 up to so on. June 19th question. 8th question. In a GP, minus Tn is equal to minus 1 to the power of n into 2017. Find the common ratio. This is from March 17. 9th question. The borewell dealer charges rupees 200 for 1 meter only and raises drilling charges at the rate of rupees 30 for every subsequent meter. Write progression for the above data. This is from March 15th. So like this I will ask the one more questions. Only more and more questions on arithmetic progressions. So GP also they will ask, but more we have the more exercise and more concepts on AP only. So be practice well on arithmetic progressions. Okay, let us see all these sums on paper. Okay, now. So first answer, sum of first 200 natural numbers. To find out this, we have a formula. Sum of first n natural numbers. That means we have 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to so on n is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. So here in n place we have 200. That means actually it is denoted by sum of n terms Sn. So here we have to write sum of 200 numbers, 200 natural numbers. That means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to so on 200. So in place of n we have to write 200. 200 into 200 plus 1 by 2. By cancellation we get 100 into 201. That is 20,100. So actually here we are using the sum of n terms in AP. So in that one we have this formula 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to so on, and that is n into n plus 1 by 2. Next, second sum is 0 is a term of the arithmetic progression 31, 28, 25 up to so on. So here given AP 31, 28, 25 up to so on. So we have to take here an as 0. That means let us assume an is equal to 0. So what is the an formula? An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So already we have here a value, that is first term 31 and D is common difference, that is A2 minus A1. So A2 is here 28 minus 31, D value minus 3. So substitute AN form, AN value, A value, D value in this equation in the formula. So then we get 0 is equal to 31 plus n minus 1 into minus 3. So D is equal to 31, multiply that minus 3, plus into minus minus 3 into n minus 3n plus 3. 0 is equal to 31 plus 3, 34 minus 3n. Then 34 is equal to 3n. Then n is equal to 34 by 3. So but generally n r belongs to natural numbers. So we here 34 by 3 is not belongs to n. That means that n is equal to 0, not possible. In given AP. Okay, and then next, third one. Find the nth term of the AP is 6n plus 2. So given in AP an is equal to 6n plus 2. Now we have to find the common difference. Simply for that we have to find just first term and second term, that is a1. a1 nothing but substitute n is equal to 1 in this. 6 into 1 plus 2, 6 plus 2 8, and a2 that is 6 into 2 plus 2, 12 plus 2, that is 14. So as common difference formula we know that a2 minus a1, that is 14 minus 8 is equal to 6. So common difference is D is equal to 6. Okay, and the next one, fourth one is the sequence root 3, root 6, root 9, root 12. Is the AP or not? We have to check. So here a1 is, let us assume a1 is equal to root 3, a2 root 6, and a3 root 9, up to so on. So first find a2 minus a1, that is common difference. So while checking the given sequence AP or not, we have to find just difference of the successive elements or successive numbers. So here D is equal to a2 minus a1, common difference as we know that one, root 6 minus root 3. So keep it as it is. Next one, a3 minus a2, that is root 9 minus root 6. So root 9 value we know 3 minus root 6. But these two are not equal, that is a3 minus a2 is not equal to a2 minus a1. Therefore the given sequence is not an AP. Given sequence is not an AP. And next, in fifth sum, for the AP minus 3 given AP minus 3, minus 7, minus 11 up to so on, can we find directly a3 minus a20? So can we find a3 minus a20? A30 minus A20, that is the question. So yes, we can find how. So in general, AN is equal to, suppose, A plus n minus 1 into D, and AM is equal to A plus m minus 1 into D. Here we have to take n greater than m. So if we have an minus am, that means if we solve for an minus am, we get simply a plus n minus 1 into d minus a plus m minus 1 into d. So we get here a plus n minus 1 into d, multiply this, minus a minus of m minus 1 into d. So a gets cancelled. Here nd minus d, and here minus d into m, minus dm, minus into minus d plus d. So here again dd also gets cancelled. We get nd minus md, that is n minus m into d. So where n and m denotes the number of the terms. So by this formula we can easily find directly the A30 minus A20 minus A20. So A30 minus A20 is here simply 30 minus 20 into D. Here D value A2 minus A1, that is minus 7 minus of minus 3. This is A2 and this one is A1, as you know. So minus 7 plus 3, that is minus, then A30 minus A20 is equal to 30 minus 10, 20, 30 minus 20, 10 into minus 4. So 10 into minus 4, minus 40. And next, sixth sum. Radha says 1111 is GAP and as also AP. So here given sequence 1 comma 1 comma 1 up to so on. So first of all, let us verify whether it is AP or not. Okay, so to verify, for AP, so here we have A1 1, A2, A1 1, A2 1 and A3 1 up to so on. So here find common differences. A2 minus A1, 1 minus 1 0, and again A3 minus A2, that is also 1 minus 1 0. Hence A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2. So yes, it is an AP. And next, to verify GP. To verify GP, as you know the formula, common ratio formula, A2 by A1. Okay, so here first you find A2 by 1, that is 1 by 1, we get 1, and also find A3 by A2. So here also we get 1. So A2 by A1 is equal to A3 by A2. Hence it is also a GP, and hence what you write? I agree with the Radha. Okay, this is the sixth one. And next, seventh one. Seventh sum. Find the 11th term of the AP. So here given AP, 15, 12, 9 up to so on. So we have to find 11th term. So here a1 is equal to a is equal to 15, and then d is equal to a2 minus a1, that is 12 minus 15 minus 3. So a11 formula, a plus 11 minus 1 into d, that is a plus 10d. A plus 10d. Here used formula is what? Since an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So by that we can write a value is here 15 plus 10 into d value is minus 3. So 15 plus into minus minus 30. 15 minus 30 simply we get minus 15. Now 8th one, here in GP given Tn is equal to minus 1 whole to the power of n into 2017. So we have to find R. So to find out R, we have to get T1 and T2. So to get T1, just simply substitute in place 1. So minus 1 to the power of 1 into 2 power 2017, that is minus 2017. And also find T2, minus 1 to the power of 2 2017. Minus 1 to the power of 2 means here minus 1 into minus 1, that is plus 1. Plus 1 into 2017, simply we get here 2017. Now as now we know that the common ratio T2 by T1, that is 2017 by minus 2017. These two will get cancelled, we get minus 1. Okay, and then 9th one. The hand borewell dealer charges 100 rupees for 1 meter, for the 1 meter only. So in that one we have here, so list of charges. And this first one is, you can write it as, for first 1 meter, rupees 200. For next subsequent, meter, they are charging 30 rupees, that is 200 plus 30, wait, right, 230. Okay, now here the first term is taken as A1 and this one is A2. So like this we have to write the one dp here. So here the common difference is D is taken as 30. Then here A1 is equal to 200, A2 is equal to 200 plus 30, 230, and A3 is equal to 230 plus 30, 260, and A4 is equal to 260 plus 30, 290. So up to so on we have to write this progression. Therefore the progression is, arithmetic progression is 200, 230, 260, 290 up to so on.